Imagine being a student, checking your phone and seeing new order received from Fiverr. That moment is not luck, it's structure. Today, we're not explaining theory. We're launching your gig live. If you stay until the end, you will not just learn, you will launch. First, category selection. We're choosing YouTube thumbnail design. It's high demand and beginner friendly. Then, the title, clarity. Wins over creativity. Your description should be outcome focused. Use tags like Canva and AI visuals to help the algorithm find you. Match the language buyers use. Pricing. Start low to buy credibility. Your gig image must earn the click. Keep it bold, simple, and professional. Click publish. Right now, you officially have a freelance business. That didn't take months, it took structure. Comment live if you launch today. Next, I'll show you how to get your first orders. Subscribe to build real income.